Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets A to Z. Kids colors name: blue color, yellow color, green color, black color, red color, yellow color. Kids now coloring alphabets A to Z. Kids first we draw A. A for apple, A for ant, and use blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat. Kids now draw C. C for cat, C for car, and again use blue color. Kids now draw D. D for dog, D for doll, and use yellow color. E. E for egg, E for elephant. Kids again use yellow color and draw F. F for fish, F for fan. G. G for God, G for grapes. Kids now draw H. H for hen, H for helicopter, and use green color. Kids again use green color and draw I. I for ice, I for ice cream. J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. Kids now draw K. K for kite, K for king, and use black color. L. L for lion, L for lemon. Kids again use black color and draw M. M for moon, M for mango. Kids now draw N. N for nose, N for nest. Kids now draw O. O for orange, O for octopus, and use red color. P. P for parrot, P for penguin. Q. Q for queen, Q for quail. Kids now draw R. R for rose, R for rice, and use yellow ochre color. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw S. S for sun, S for sheep. Kids now draw T. T for teacher, T for tiger. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw U. U for umbrella, U for uncle. Kids now draw V. V for van, V for vanilla, and use blue color. W. W is for wolf, W is for watch. Kids now draw X. X for X-ray, X for Xmas tree. Kids now draw Y. Y for yak, Y for yo-yo, and use yellow color. Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. Kids today draw A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.